Very good morning, dear students, viewers, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, I appeared before all of you after 4 or 5 days due to some unavoidable circumstances. So today itself, I would like to talk to all of you about the importance of sound sleep. Either you can say deep sleep. So first of all, I will start with a proverb. Healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So today my topic is the importance of sound sleep. Especially I would like to appeal to young generations, young guys, students. Today, nowadays they have adopted a new trend. Virtually most of the readers, students do not sleep as a sound sleep. By late night, they keep watching television, mobile, and this and that. After 12 o'clock, means next day, they start reading up to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock early in the morning. Then they decide to sleep, and they keep sleeping at 12 o'clock. So this is not well and good for all of us. So my dear viewers, this is a general topic. Sound sleep is the most essential for all of us. And if you want to live as a healthy body, there are so many factors are responsible for a healthy body. But sound sleep, deep sleep is one of them. So today I would like to discuss to all of you, I would like to talk to all of you about the importance of sound sleep, deep sleep. So deep sleep, sound sleep, very very essential to all of us, especially young guys, young children. Why I am telling especially for young children? Because they are the future of the nation. Students are the future of the nation. That's why I am giving much more emphasis about young guys, about young children. In other words, we can say sound sleep is very very essential to all of us, not only students. You must have realized, if someday you could not, you cannot sleep as a sound sleep, next day you feel you do not have energy, you are very lethargic, you become very unhealthy, and for a little matter you become irritated. Why? Because you could not take a sound sleep. That's why a lot of problems, a lot of problems start coming to you if you do not sleep as a sound sleeper. You know, each and everybody should sleep at least 6 to 7 hours if you want to be healthy, wealthy. So health is wealthy. Everybody must have heard this proverb. That is why it is my appeal to all of you, my dear students, my viewers, my learners, ladies and gentlemen. The sound sleep is one of the most important factors for all of us. At this juncture, I would like to tell you, the most of Japanese, Chinese, and the people of New Zealand, they do not die in the early age. They, Japanese, especially Japanese, die after 90 and 100 years. After 100 years. Minimum 85-90 years they can survive. Why? Because they cannot compromise with sound sleep, and they cannot remain without doing exercise. Healthy food. But in India, we people do not pay attention towards our health. Here I can tell you repeatedly, rightly, once we get this precious life, precious body, that is why it is my appeal to all of you, my dear viewers, that you have to compromise with all things, but don't compromise with sound sleep. Sound sleep plays a very magnificent role in our life. If you want to remain healthy body, if you want to have healthy body, if you want to acquire healthy body, sound sleep plays a very important role. So once again I am appealing to all of you. It is my bitter experience. Sometimes I cannot sleep on that particular day. I do not feel energetic, very lethargic, because I could not have sound sleep. So this matter is applied to all of you. That is why I would like to request, because if you remain healthy, our country will be healthy. If you are a ill person, we are not healthy, our country, our nation cannot be healthy. That is why it is our collective responsibility. It is our responsibility, first and foremost, we should pay attention towards our health. Our health. From very beginning I have told it. The healthy mind resides in healthy body. That is why it is our responsibility to keep our health free from all diseases. As we cannot remain without eating, without food, similarly, we cannot remain without sound sleep. If we do not sound sleep, then many discrepancies start coming. Our digestion system cannot work properly. Our mind cannot be healthy. So many problems started rising. That is why I would like to request all of you the sound sleep. Everybody should have sound sleep, and we should avoid intoxication foods, intoxicated foods such as wine, meat, and such other spicy things like pizza, fast food are very dangerous for our body. But we, more or less, we cannot avoid fast food. Nowadays, young children, young guys have become victimized to fast food. Fast food is very fatal to our body, to our health. Gradually, slowly, they start damaging nervous system, digestion system. So many diseases start rising if you do not take a precaution. That is why it is said prevention is better than cure. From very beginning, we have to pay due attention to our health, and sound sleep is one of them. That's why I am repeatedly appeal to all of you, please do not compromise with sound sleep. With these words, today I would like to end my speech. Simultaneously, I appeal to all of you. You must subscribe my channel, Sahadev's channel, and I give link in WhatsApp, and you must open YouTube. You will be benefited if you listen to my lecture. My dear students, my dear viewers, with these words, today I would like to end my lecture. Thank you very much. Again tomorrow I will appear with another topic for all of you. Thank you very much.